Hey guys, so in a while mahimos na ko dugay-dugay kaya mapa-early ko pa school. It's currently mga 10 something AM, so naligot na mga daan, and yeah, BRB. Okay, walking na guys. I will be commuting for today. Look at that. Fit check. Ganon. PRB. I'm here now sa school with Quats. Ako ba? Kami maliit nga doon. Hello, Miss. Nag-review kami ko na abid yung exam. Pero majority lang man kami.
Yung mga
What can you say?
I hope hindi ko masugba-subo. Sugba.
Grabe ka naman sa sugba. Okay. PRB. Aga pa ang world. Mamaya, wala na ito. Say hi, she. Nag-vlog po. Their brand.
Matry ko isa lang.
Hi guys. Ay, nakami sa van. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
So, this is our very first time ever in our lives. Ever.
Praying for peace.
Yes, praying for them.
Hi, good night.
It's break time, guys. Wala kami kalagaw-laga lang ha. Break time. Hi guys.
Hi, guys. Kasi sinasuriyahan na mo ng TV ya.
Hello. So this is day 2 of duty. So mapa-early ko liwat school because wala lang. Ka-chill lang gidi akong early. So, ma-lunch ko gonna guy and then I'm gonna go. Medyo init pa guys. Like look at the outside world. Kaya mo lang na. Ano?
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Ang message. Oh, ikaw dream na mo kuluan sa manual.
Sa kung lang mga tapiliwan, feeling ko hindi na kung matulugan.
Mayas ko niya, lo.
Ano ito gani? Hello, day 3. Mag-go naman ko sa school. Dugay-dugay. Pa-aircon ako and ka-charge. Kadali. Naka-2 kami cases yesterday and today hopefully more. More than 3. Pero yeah. So that's that.
Dahil sinundo ako to sino. At the moment.
Hindi na ako si...
Hey guys!
Mini Christmas party!
Right now, it's our dinner. And we're here
At the where?
Bago City Catholic Church.
What are you eating?
Oh, is
Ay, okay. Hindi siya kasi anything. It's very nice. What are you eating?
hotdog.
I have the green.
Translator, please.
Translator.
Washer.
What did you eat for dinner?
Yeah, Bing Chining.
What did you eat?
Bing Chining.
Bongbong.
Hello,
Puto bongbong.
Okay, see you!